How to see Facebook password. Hey everybody, welcome back to our YouTube channel. In today's video, you will learn how you can see your Facebook account's password. So without any further delay, let us jump right into the process. Make sure that you are using your primary account, and if you have saved your Facebook account's password in your Google account, you will be able to see it from your Google account. Head over to your settings app, and at this page, scroll below to Google. Here it will show you your Google account. Then tap on Manage your Google account. You'll see a page like this. In here, tap on Security tab. At this page, scroll below and tap on Password Manager. Then here, if you have saved your Facebook password in your primary Google account, you will be able to see it right at this page. All you have to do is tap onto it and enter your lock screen PIN or password. Then tap onto this eye icon to view the password. Just like so, this is how you can do it. Thank you for watching the video till the very end. In case it had helped you in any ways, then do like and subscribe. We hope to be back soon with more tutorials like this. In the meantime, stay updated.